This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Updated and ready. Great floor plan, excellent 4-bedroom TRI level, huge fence back, attached garage that is converted into more downstairs space. Quiet tree-lined street. 1 and 2nd floor master bedroom, 2 kitchens, 1 up and down. New roof 2020, new HVAC system, updated kitchen with new cabinets, new stainless STELL appliances, new granite counters, 2006 new vinyl wrap, new triple pane windows, wood floors in living room hall. New carpet to be installed, new fresh paint on schedule. Convention to all bases and interstates. Close to schools, shopping and entertainment. PICS taken 5 years ago. For more information